Hey guys, it's Paul and welcome to my channel, and I'm here putting out all my delicate pumpkin pieces from the last year and putting in a store my delicate summer pieces, and I'm ready to decor, but it's almost dinner time, so I'm prepping my favorite dinner recipes for fall, and this is penne pasta with vegetables and pumpkin parmesan sauce, so my baby enjoy, he really loves. So let's gonna begin with the decor, and I found this beautiful and affordable lanterns on Target for $5, and these corns for $3 in the Target dollar store, and I say why not to put on the porch. I just gonna make something super simple because I want to make another video and I'll make a little longer, so just to begin doing something, guys. So welcome friends, welcome again to the house. And yes, this is from the last year, and the dinner was so good because my baby enjoyed all the vegetables and all the pumpkin fall dinner. So it's time for the fireplace mantle, and this mantle is from the last year. We bought this in Michael's, and I found this. I wanted to give some light blush touches, so I got this from Michael's, and I couldn't find really blush, so I found this maple leaves and just other things that I got from the last year, and this I got in Target, so I give it more extra touches and to make it look so beautiful, because I want some touches of off-white with gold and peaches. So I took this lantern from the last year Christmas, and I'm gonna make this DIY. I bought those pieces on the dollar store from Target, and I'm changing with some more corns and all that. So let's gonna pass to this table here I got in the hall, and those frames I got in the Target dollar spot, and I'm gonna create a pumpkin patch. And I saw this idea at Pinterest, and I wanted to recreate with all kind of different textures and size of pumpkins, giving that glam look I like. This is my space when I love to have animal print, so I say why not, so I love this welcome pumpkin and our monogram letter. And yes guys, all my pumpkins are like delicate, and they not hard because the house is baby proofs, so he can not hard. So I found these pieces and I think look beautiful, and this candle is really beautiful from Home Goods, a temple. I think I got 2 of them, each one for $5.99 I think, so match perfectly, so I like it. It's so simple but give those glam touches, and has some black, has some white, some gold, some silver, and I love these maple leaves, and I'm putting maple leaves all around, and this is silver maple leaves. This is my DIY from the last year, and I make it my big project, and they all different. I make whole glitters, half glitters, just the borders, so I can find, so I have to customize myself because I just can't find the regular colors, so I spread all around my decor tables or whatever, and they look really beautiful and amazing. So for the dinner table I really not doing anything. I just putting all the stuff that I think that I can use for right now. And this little thing I found in the dollar store. This is from rose gold from the last year. And I found these candles from Target, and these beautiful like squash from Target as well. Have like more peaches color, and this is what I have in my mind, but it's gonna be a separate video, so I don't wanna work on this right now. Just like I say, just like putting the setting all together and have any idea on my mind, but I'm gonna make another video. So those gold from the dollar store, $1.30, and this grateful, thankful, and blessed is the theme from the dinner. It's the theme from the season, and it's a must have to be there. So for Thanksgiving, I'm gonna be changing, and I'm gonna share the video with y'all guys, ideas for tablescapes for Thanksgiving, so stay tuned. And I got a broiled DIY with those little candle holders that I found in the $3 as well. So we'll talk later about it, and some greeneries that I found in Michael's because I like, and it's turned really good. I just want to add more candles and more stuff, and it's turned really good, but I'm gonna make the video apart, so let us just know how it's gonna turn, guys. So just thinking. And here in my, let's gonna pass to the buffet area, and I have forgotten this DIY, and I just saw it just now because my baby opened the drawer, and I said, oh my god, yes, I forgot. I did this the last year, and it's so beautiful and so glam. And look, those maple leaves that I found in Michael's. The price was like 16, but they were like 50% on sale, and they got like this color like blush, you know, my favorite color, and they get that touch so glam and match perfectly with my Hello Fall. And you open and put in a pretty base. I'm gonna get another base, and with those chandeliers, I think they look really nice, you know, they match perfectly, glam look and everything. So while this is day number 2, I'm preparing dinner for day number 2 because I just can't record. It's after work, so I'm just doing so, you know, people, for this fall season. I'm all for recipes because my Instagram people love my recipes, and they say posting it, and I'm posting it. People eat for this season like sweet jams, and I'm more Latina food, so I love my sweet plantains, sweet ripe plantains, and I'm gonna stuff with ground beef. So you can use turkey beef or the regular ground beef, and I'm putting butter for moisturize. The plantains already was in the oven for 15 minutes, and I'm gonna start with the meats, and then I'm gonna put some shredded cheese. You can use fresh cheese, mozzarella, whatever kind of cheese you got. Puedes usar cualquier clase de queso que tengas. Los vas a rellenar de carne y ponerlo solo por 5 minutos hasta que el queso se derrita. Y aquí estoy limpiando la cocina, and here I am making some cleaning and using the products Myers for the season. So it smells so good, and in this fall vibes. Y haciendo unos pequeños cambios aquí en la cocina, y huele delicioso porque el producto que estoy usando es de la temporada de Myers. Voy a dejar el link abajo si lo quieren comprar. Y cambiando todas las toallas y poniendo todo lo que tenga que ver con otoño. Changing all the towels, putting all those. And I'm working with traditional colors, with blush colors. And I think the mixture looks so beautiful. Then my pumpkin, I'm waiting for my pumpkin Dutch oven. It's on the way, so I'm gonna put this on here. my towels I found in Home Goods the last year, and this a beautiful like frame that I found in Big Lots that I like for the colors and say hello fall. So let's continue cleaning. The house smells really good, guys. Yes, this decoration took like really 4 or 5 days, because counting rooms and all that. I first did the rooms, and then hit the stairs was like 3 days every time after a job with recording. So I'm doing my island, and I love this stuffed pumpkin, and my favorite candies that is those meringues, and the flavor is pumpkin, and they're really good, and I like the colors and all that. So I got this candle, and I love because it match perfectly with this, and it's in vanilla scents. So I got those flowers from Michael's, and I love how it looks. I put some custards, but I put after all, and I love how everything turns so beautiful, and everything matches like an off-white on an ivory color, but I love so much, and me encanta cómo quedó. Y voy a prender la vela porque estoy thankful, grateful and blessed. Y continuando acá con lo de I found the last year like rose gold, guys. And let's go to the coffee bar or coffee station. Send some updates here. I removed the coffee maker because nobody drink coffee and makeup is in this house, and I removed the little frame, because I found some prettier. We got some blush. I wanted to put more blush and more whites and more golds. And here I'm putting all my stuff, and they look so really good. I end up with, and my leaves all spread around, and I put this jar here for milk, to warm milk or warm water or whatever people want to do, tea. So if you want to put some flowers or with leaves or whatever you want, it's gonna be here and look better. The only thing we cover here is my syrups. The only traditional for us right now is the syrups. But the matter, I think this turns so beautiful. Creo que se ve bonito. Quité la cafetera porque aquí nadie toma café, pero puse esta jarra para lo que sea, para la leche caliente, el agua caliente, no sé, y quise poner más colores blancos. Cambié el cuadrito que había ahí, pero muy lindo. Querían poner más dorados, más blancos y más rosas. So quedó lindo. Entonces todo me gustó en general, todo quedó muy lindo. Toda la combinación de colores aquí en la cocina, ¿qué les parece? Comenten abajo si les gustó cómo quedó la cocina. Muy sencillo y muy de clutter, pero con todos los colores que quería incluir. De pronto aquí cambié esas flores. Maybe I'm gonna change the flowers. And just here is the dinner. It's dinner time, and I'm serving this rice that I make. I call it pumpkin rice, and I'm gonna be serving with my plantains. Look how beautiful they look. And I call them pumpkin rice because it's chickpeas rice with sausages, and the chickpeas play the role as the little pumpkin, so you can tell your kids that they're eating pumpkins and they're gonna like. I hope my baby enjoys. So mientras él está entretenido ahí, y esta calabaza de arriba la cambié. I changed completely the other pumpkin on the top, and here we are. It is like everything look. And this ribbon from the last year say welcome for appearing again. And I make my pumpkin patch. You see the lantern, how it looks so beautiful. And I get the full pumpkin stuff from Home Goods, and my little pumpkin patch so safe for my baby. And I put in all the corner staples, pumpkins and designs and everything. With all my colors, that was silver, gold, white, and rose. So yes, I think everything turned so beautiful. We love, and you know, my kid loves as well his pumpkin patch, and at nighttime everything looks so beautiful because we turn all the lights of the house and we just chilling here. And when the times get really cold, gonna be so cozy. It's gonna feel cozier. Cuando apagamos las luces nos sentimos más cómodos en casa, ¿cierto? Entonces nos gustó cómo quedó. Van a haber ciertos cambios por sí, pero a mi hijo le encantó esta cosecha de calabazas y son muy seguras porque no se hace daño si las quiere agarrar, mover y eso. So here is all the final look. Maybe I'm gonna try to find some more pink pumpkins because I was trying to look for them and I couldn't find. So here I'm opening my more of my maple leaves, and here I always like to have cozy socks for cold times. This is my routine every night. I put in a good pair of cozy socks and a good book and a good hot drink, and ready to relax. So yes guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Have some inspo, and to you may your own decor. Remember, all the family work together and enjoy these moments. Let me know in the comments, share with your friends, give me a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna be leaving of the links down below of the ingredients for the recipes and all that stuff. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.